In this question, we are required to solve the modulus of x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 6. Modulus simply means that we have to consider the positive and the negative values of x. So the first part, x squared plus x minus 6 will be equals to 6 or negative 6. Solve for both sides of the equation using factorization. We get x is equals to 3, or x is equals to negative 4, x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 1. So these are the four values of x. Second part, in part A, we need to sketch the graph of y is equals to modulus of x squared plus x minus 6. From what we have solved earlier, we have already obtained the values when y is equals to 6, x is equals to the four corresponding values in the first part. So this will be the four coordinates when y is equals to 6, x is equals to these four values. We also need the x coordinates of the x-axis, the intercept of the x-axis. Therefore, we substitute y equals to 0 into x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. We get values of x is equals to negative 3 and 2. So this will be the intercept on x-axis. Lastly, to find the turning point on the graph, we find dy dx equals to 0, which is 2x plus 1. We can leave out the modulus because the value of y which we obtain, in this case, negative 6 and 1/4, by modulusing it, it will become positive 6 and 1/4. Therefore, the coordinates of the turning point is x is equals to negative half, y is equals to 6 and 1/4. So with all these points, we are ready to sketch the graph. Plotting the points as found in part A, we get this. So linking up the points, this is actually a graph with a minimum point. However, because of the modulus, the negative part of the graph in the negative y area will become positive. And you see this hump over here, in this case. So anything that is negative will become positive y. Because of the nature of this graph, y is equals to the modulus of x squared plus x minus 6. So this is the graph, the sketch of the graph. The final part of the question, we are required to find modulus x squared plus x minus 6 less than 6. But since we have already solved for this in the earlier part, the four values of x will simply be the point when y is equals to 6. So anything less than 6 will be the region which we are interested in. Therefore, the answer from the graph is the value of x will be between negative 4 and negative 1. And the part between 0 and 3. We'll omit the values between x equals to negative 1 and x is equals to 0, because this region here corresponds to the part where it is more than 6, as you can see from the graph here. And the turning point, or the stationary point, is x is equals to negative half and y is equals to 6 and 1/4 because of the modulus. So looking at the graph, the shaded region will be the parts that corresponds to this inequality. Modulus x squared plus x minus 6 is less than 6. And with that, this is the answer for the question. Thank you.